Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, today is Friday. Not only Friday, but also the last trading day of the month. And for the last couple of months, we have seen that market gets crazy. Nothing works, especially during the US session. So beginners, new traders, high volatility may be very lucrative, but do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. You work hard for 1 month, then you get a salary, and do not blow your whole month's salary in just 1 or 2 minutes. I request. Okay. And today will be a crazy day, so please be careful. And if we look at the economic calendar, we can see that we have a long list of events, especially for the euro. So euro pair lovers, be careful. Market will be volatile throughout the day. Okay. And during the US session, we have the PCE data coming up. PC data is not a major event like NFP, CPI, FOMC, but for the last couple of months, we have seen that market reacts to PC data. Last data, was not good enough, so market was totally silent, but today can be dangerous, so please be careful. Market will give you plenty of opportunities to make money when the market is normal. Today in a group also I posted, fried foods are not healthy, but fried foods are better than fried accounts. Do not forget. Okay, be careful guys, today is Friday. And this is a beloved hourly chart of gold in front of us. So market has tested the resistance again. Okay. So last time also we discussed that the level has been tested 3 times, so we need to be careful. But fourth time also market has reversed, means more liquidity has built up. So next time please be careful. There's a high chance of market breaking the resistance and going up because market doesn't like common things. So if you look at the overall chart of gold, and we can clearly see that we have a big ascending triangle in front of us. We have a resistance around 2530, 2531 area, and we can clearly see that whenever market is coming down, the market is forming higher lows here. So formation of higher lows indicate that we have a good possibility, big possibility here of gold going up. And usually in ascending triangle pattern, we see market breaking resistance and going up because it's a bullish pattern. In trading, real-time market analysis is very important, especially for those who are new to the market or beginners. For them, real-time analysis can be very helpful. For them, Dotbee is the perfect solution. We have discussed earlier also that Dotbee is an AI-powered chatbot that not only answers to our questions but also provides real-time market analysis. You just need to select your pair, favorite pair, beloved pair from here. You can see the list of options and choose your preferred time frame. For example, you can see that this analysis of Xauusd on 15 minutes time frame was just updated 7 minutes ago, and you can see a complete technical analysis. Again, and you can see around 22 minutes ago also, okay, we had an analysis on Xauusd. So it can be very useful for traders like you, traders like me. And the best part is that, okay, you don't need to look at the screen like this. Okay, you can use it as the mobile version. Okay, you can see that I can now look at the chart and also have the live analysis, real-time analysis like this. Isn't it awesome, my dear friends? So feel free to check out Dotbee. The link is in the description. Okay, now let's talk about gold again. So we have an ascending triangle pattern. Market has tested a resistance 4 times, so there's a high chance of market going up. And this time we can look for a buy above 2532. What? We can look for a buy above 2532 if market breaks the level. And I think if it happens also, it will happen during the US session. Okay. And on the other hand, if market drops after the US session, now listen to me carefully. After news, usually technicals or levels do not work, but we have a very strong resistance around 2470. So if market drops after the US session, after the PC data, then we can look for some support on 2470, 2472 area. This is a strong level. I think this level may provide support to the market. Okay. And we also have another level around 2493. Okay, if you see the market is going down but the selling pressure is not extreme, listen to me carefully. If you see the selling pressure is not extreme, means size of the candles are like this, then you can also expect market to get some support around 2493 area as well. 2493, 2494. Okay, because market has shown good price ejection from below around this area. And if you're wondering, okay, do we have any other confirmation, then yes, we can also use FIBO here. You can see we have a FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Okay, and here also we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So not only we have support, but also additional confirmation from the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so 2470, 2493 are two levels where we can look for support after news also. But keep in mind, okay, news trading is a different ball game. Okay, if you see that there's a heavy selling pressure, market is standing at level of the big red candle, forget about it. Because we should not forget that one fundamentals dominate, technicals do not work. That's a bitter reality, and as a trader we will have to accept it, because to survive in the market, okay, we need to be aware of the bitter realities of the market as well. Okay, so but the problem is that these levels are far away from the current market price. So if we need immediate trading opportunities, then we can look for two levels. Okay, 25, okay, 2511, or I will say 2511 to 09, and then we can look for 2507 to 2505. These are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a quick bounce of 40 pips before the news, before US session. Why before US session only? Because these are minor levels. They will not work when there will be heavy volatility in the market. Okay, and how we have derived these levels, let me show you. See, we have simply used FIBO here. So around 2511, okay, around 2511, we have the FIBO 50% retracement level, you can see here. Okay, and around 2507 we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. So we have two FIBO levels around these two areas, and moreover we have the 200 moving average coming up. Okay, so not only FIBO, we can also expect 200 moving average to provide dynamic support to the market, and we can also expect this area to provide some support. If it does, then only we can go for a buy position. But here we have a small problem here. Okay, we can see that already market has shown a small bounce, little bounce from 2512 area. We have a small bounce of 2512 area. Usually I have observed that whenever a little bit of a bounce comes just before the level, then it doesn't work. Try to understand. Already this level, okay, this level has worked, or this has shown some sort of bounce, so the immediate level may not work. Okay, so once market will hit 2511 area, our level, okay, switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes to observe the market behavior. If you see market is taking support, market is showing price ejection from below, then only go for a buy position. 2511, 2509, it was a good level, but it's a weak level now, minor level. And second is around 2507, and today is a news day, so no level is a good level. Be careful also. So stay safe, stay sharp. Okay, we are traders, not gamblers. Do not forget it.